ठीक है। हम लोग अपना पार्टी को स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए और अच्छे तरीके से मजबूत करने के लिए हम लोग का इंटरनल पार्टी मीटिंग है, क्योंकि तिपरा मोथा गांव-गांव जाकर अपने संगठन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा और हमारा आने वाले दिन में जो ग्रेटर तिपरा लैंड का मूवमेंट है उसको और स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे। जो लोग हमें जैसे भी अपोज करें, हम लोग गांव-गांव जाकर अपने लोगों को समझाएंगे कि हमारा आंदोलन किसी के खिलाफ नहीं है, अपने संविधान के अधिकार के पक्ष में है।
Most probably you are also trying to contact Delhi on the same issue. Have you written somewhere or have you got...
Delhi will, I think Delhi will respond to us very soon. And if Delhi does not respond, then we will go on our own and we will tell them that the genuine problems, constitutional problems of our indigenous people and of all the people of Tripura, we need to have a solution. And until the time, if Delhi is talking to groups which are not even democratically elected, then what is the problem in Delhi not talking to parties which have been democratically chosen by the people? They should engage with us. We are not enemies of anyone. But our constitutional problem has to be solved. And constitutional problems cannot be solved by offering Rajya Sabha post, offering ministerial post, offering chairmanship. Constitutional problem has to be solved for the 13 lakh Tiprasas and 15 lakh people who are living in the EDC area. We want constitutional solution for the people, not political rehabilitation of 2 or 3 or 4 leaders.
Some of the opposition parties, particularly Congress, have given a sign, at least said that your movement is democratic.
And constitutional.
And constitutional.
And constitutional.
And constitution. So, how do you see the party in power? Have they given any such sign?
Well, privately, so they say that they understand the problems of the tribals. They understand the problems in the EDCs. They realize that there has been a lot of problems. Mistakes have been made in the past. They privately admit, but publicly they have to make a statement.
Recently, you met the Chief Minister, though it was a courtesy meeting, but were the EDC issues also raised?
Yes, we have asked him honorably, the Honorable Chief Minister. My Chairman Sahab was there, my Deputy CM was there that day. We asked him to come and take a review of the Autonomous Council, and we've put forward our case. We are also administration, and a new Chief Minister has been elected, and we have to give him due respect, and we have done that as per the protocol.
And how do you see the future? My last question is, how do you see the future of the regional party when the present party, tribal welfare minister said there won't be any regional party entry?
Well, agar they give us a constitutional solution, then there is no need to do regional politics. But till the time they don't give us constitutional solution, till the time the people do not feel that they have not been given something constitutionally, then regional parties will always exist. Because why are people fighting? Why are they regionalism? Because people feel that center has not given enough. We are asking something from the center. We are not asking anything from Mr. Ojama rogno. We are asking something from the leaders in Delhi, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of India. We are not asking anything from Mr. Ojama rogno. But so he is no one to say that iska future hai ki uska future hai. Future Ojama rogno decide nahi karta hai. Future Tipra ka janta decide karta hai.
When talks are going on, particularly in Northeast, such talks have been, even in NSC and the talks, it went for several decades. Do you think this really solves the problem or keeps...
Well, it is better to talk than to pick up the gun. It is better to engage in dialogue than to resort to violence. So I believe in democratic values. I believe in engagement of talks, and that's the way it should be. We've had talks. It's not the first time. We had a TNV accord, which your uncle is here. In 1988, there was a TNV accord. There have been different accords signed. So I think we should talk, we should engage.
Thank you.